So we're here to show you what I got. Some rigid dually lights, the D Series Pro. So these are the new ones, 102% more output, which they are going to go on the bumper. My Graves Fab bumper once that gets done. Just kind of do a little review of it, what's in the box. Let's unwrap it first. So we got some stickers, which adds 20 more horsepower. Instructions, your wiring harness, and then the hardware to mount it. So pretty simple. So let's put these on and these on the bumper when I get it done. But I'm just kind of showing you a little, and then I'm gonna turn them on, hook them on real quick, make sure they work, and show you how bright they are. I just kind of ghettoed them up and hooked them up to the battery. Here they are right there. Turn basically night into day, even though it's still kind of dusk. They are super bright. Oh crap, a lot brighter in person, definitely, for sure. But buy some, and I'll put a link down below. But once I get my bumper on, I will make a whole video on how I wire it and stuff, so stay tuned.